To that, you know, a family like you, I can't do this. Wait, I'm sorry, wait.
అరే జస్ట్ ఇట్లా టచ్ చేయడానికి, ఐ మీన్ పిక్చర్స్ తీయడానికి అంతే, ఫర్ ఫోటోస్, దట్స్ ఇట్.
Should I say once again?
మై ఫోన్, where did you put my phone? This.
Come soon.
A few minutes later.
One more take.
Wait.
No, I feel.
I was anxious, bro. I should say that. We are surprising somebody and like
Done? The first time when I met you and your family in the temple, I had an instinct that you were the one. Our family felt very happy that we met a family like yours, and we feel very blessed.
మనసులోని నిలిచిపోకి మై మరుపుల మధురిమో పెదవి దాటి వెలికి రాక బెదురెందుకి హృదయమో మనసులోని నిలిచిపోకి